Oh.
Are you peeing? No.
Come here. Come right up this way.
Are you just gonna stay in here, Owen? Okay. Alright. Get up on the dry rock. And then once we start coming in, start swimming down in. Alright, bud?
Dude, there's water. There's water.
You need help, Gunner?
Yeah.
You cold?
Yeah.
Remember when you jump off it, bring your arms in like this. Hey, look. Bring your arms in like this, okay? Yeah. Follow the trail. Come on. The stones hurt up here, okay?
Is that your dog?
Yeah, that's Nuka. He's excited. Remember how we did it yesterday? No. Give me your other. There you go. Foot on. Come up. See how he did it? Give me your hand. Foot on. Come on. Stand right there next to Connor, okay? Don't go nowhere because it's slippery. Foot on. Come on. You guys got it, or you need help?
Are you scared? Connor, are you kind of scared?
Don't even think about it.
What?
I said, well, don't jump. If you think about it, the more scared you get.
How old is
You don't even think about it?
Oh my gosh.
Come here, right here, boys. Gunner, come here. Come here, step in here. Come here, hand. Jump across.
You must go.
Jump. Go ahead.
Oh my god.
You good?
I'm good.
I kind of don't want to do that. Mr. Dale, you go first again. Yeah, you go first again.
You ready?
Yeah, you go first, Mr. Dale. Yeah. All like grown-ups first. Yeah. No.
Remember, don't hesitate. Run and jump out. Remember, Gunner?
Like this, too.
Okay.
Oh, come on, bud. Come on, boys. Go, Connor. There you go.
Woo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah, Connor.
All right, well, don't hang on, please. Don't hang on. Just float.
Run and jump right out. Woo! Yeah! Woo!
Hold on, Les. There you go.
Ow.
You all right, bud?
Yeah, boys.
Hand will hurt, huh?
My butt hurts.
You're up, Lester.
My butt hurts again and then my heels. My hands hurt. I forgot. Ow.
What's up, bud? Okay. It's a little skate. Okay.
Oh.
I think he slapped his face.
Slap your hand. Your hand hurt? You all right?
He's all right.
It's just the impact when you hit.
He's got the sunburn.
You got the sunburn. Take a deep breath. You're all right. You'll be fine. We'll go away in a minute. You'll be fine.
Let's run.
Well, by the time you
Mom,
come
that's
back,
super high.
Woo! Yeah!
I have my
You alright, bud? He's good.
Oh,
It's just, you know, when you
please
get
don't.
down,
Please.
he's not used to that feeling.
Hey, good job.
So by the time he swims
That's higher.
Connor, good job,
you get
boys.
everybody on
Please
that,
join us on YouTube.
I got everyone on.
Dude, that hurt my feet running and jumping. I'm telling you.
That rocks.